Welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into the world of TV aesthetics with a focus on the best 32-inch frame TV available. The Frame My TV Deco TV frames alloy prismatic pure white bezel. Crafted exclusively for Samsung The Frame TV, this sleek and sophisticated frame is a game-changer in home entertainment. It seamlessly transforms your television into a work of art, elevating your viewing experience to new heights. Designed specifically for Samsung The Frame TV, ensuring a perfect fit and flawless integration.
With over 30 styles to choose from, this frame offers unparalleled customization to suit any decor style. Seamlessly works with Samsung Frame TV remotes, ensuring convenient control and functionality. Smart design modifications prevent interference with your TV's sensors, maintaining optimal performance. What sets the Frame My TV Deco TV frames alloy prismatic apart is its ability to blend seamlessly into any environment. Whether you're aiming for a modern minimalist look or a classic chic vibe, this frame delivers on both style and substance. In conclusion, if you're in the market for the best 32-inch frame TV, look no further than the Frame My TV Deco TV frames alloy prismatic pure white bezel. With its exquisite design, exclusive compatibility, and rave reviews, it's a must-have addition to any home entertainment setup. That wraps up today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product insights and recommendations. Until next time, happy viewing.